guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl, Ginger, of course. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about my hair color, my texture. Has it changed? Is my hair damaged? All of the questions that you want answers to. As you know, I recently bleached and colored my hair. It's the very first time that I've ever did something like this, and personally, I love it. I've been getting so many messages though about how damaging bleach is, how my hair is going to fall out, and I just need to wait and see. Y'all can be so wild sometimes with some of the things that you say. Some people even left some mean messages talking about how I'm misleading the internet, especially under my wash and go video, because it's not the wash and go technique, it's the color that made your hair look like this. So in today's video, we're going to explore if my hair is damaged by the color and how damaged my hair actually is. There are a few things that are different in my hair journey though. I stopped using oil and butters in June this year, and I went ahead and bleached and colored my hair August of 2021. It was the year of change when it comes to my hair. So let me take you back to the beginning of this year, maybe last year, so that you can see exactly what my hair used to look like, what my hair started to look like after I ditched the oil and butters, and what my hair looks after I bleached and colored it, and we can all decide how damaged my hair really is. As you know, I used to do a 6-month protective style challenge, so I was in and out of protective styles for the majority of 2021, at least the first 5 months. So let me take you back to 2020. Now, it was actually hard to find footage with my hair completely out because I lived in twists. I really didn't leave my hair out almost ever. I washed my hair in twists, I deep conditioned in twists, I kept my hair protected in twists most of the time. So I had to dig really hard to find this footage from May of 2020. Ironically enough, this isn't why I took this shot, but look at how the water is collecting on top of my hair and it's not being absorbed. Interesting, huh? Those were my oils and butter days, girl. In any case, this is what my hair looked like. This is what my texture looked like. Take it all in because this is gonna be our starting point. Moving right along to the first time I actually did a wash and go in 2020. Now this is what my hair looked like. You can see my little ringlets. My hair had a bunch of gel in it to hold my hair pattern together, but you can really see the texture and you can basically see what my hair looked like before I did anything to it. Again, at the time I was using oils and butters. That was part of my routine, and that's how I knew my hair. Now fast forward to July of 2021. This is when I had ditched the oils and butters and I started doing wash and goes exclusively. I was learning a lot about my hair, and this was a wash and go. I hadn't mastered the style yet. I really didn't know what I was doing, but this is me in August of 2021, and this was a twist out, and I had only used one product for this. If you're interested in this style, it will be linked down below, of course. My hair looked amazing, doesn't it? Look at this definition. Look at this bounce. Look at that movement. Okay, Jen, we see you, girl. In August 2021, I started mastering the wash and go, but not really. Okay, this is me in the shower with my hair soaking wet. I was living in the shower at that point, really trying to learn my hair, figure things out, how it's supposed to feel without the oils and butters. All of that was new to me, but as you can see, my hair is absorbing water a lot more because it's just hanging lower. You can tell that it's heavy with water. Don't forget to peep the texture and the pattern. You see the little ringlets. You see them. So that was August of this year. In the same month, I went and saw a stylist. She does not use oils and butters, so the routine was very similar to what I was already doing, but I definitely learned a lot from her in terms of styling, in terms of how to go about taking care of your hair. And if you're interested in this video, it will actually be linked down below as well. It's a video that will be very, very helpful to you if you are thinking about not using oils and butters, and also try to understand why we are no longer using it. And by we, I mean me. If you're interested, check out the description box below, but you can see my hair after she did it. You can see the definition that I had. Again, don't forget to look at the ringlets, girl. But that's basically what my hair looked like after that session. And then the day came that I dyed my hair. Yes, we went the whole 9 yards. We bleached it and we colored it. This is what my hair looked like exactly after bleaching, so right before the color. You can really see how spongy it looks. We added the color and it was this nice ginger color. Ooh, love it, love it. Anyways, this is what my hair looked like right after I left the stylist chair. Ooh, my hair just looks so different, and it's the way that she set my wash and go. So I learned a lot of the techniques from her as well. Basically, the way that I set my wash and goes is very similar to how Z set my wash and go, and I really like the result that she got. They're predictable, and I try to continue doing the same thing. In any case, let's get into this definition and texture. Let's get up close and personal. Look at this. This is what my hair looked like. It has a lot of bounce. It has a lot of movement. Whew. And the color's just chef kiss. My hair is still very much shrinking as much as it used to. Mind you, at that point, I had a haircut as well, so you can definitely see the shape, but that is what my hair looked like. Fast forward to September, when I started doing my hair myself after I saw the stylist, and I started mastering the wash and go at that point. I kind of felt like I had a grip as to what I was doing, and you can see what my hair looks like. It's just absorbing more of the water. It's hanging lower. I still have a lot of texture and definition. The ringlets are still here. In October, our routine hasn't really changed much, except for the fact that we were still not using oils and butters, and this is what my hair looked like soaking wet. Again, one thing that I started noticing early on is how much water my hair will actually start absorbing and how much weighted down it will be just by using water, or after I shampoo my hair, you can really tell. But in any case, this is what my hair looked like, and I wanted to include this footage to show you that the way that my hair dries really depends on how I set it, okay? So you guys are seeing my hair in a wash and go. It's weighted down. It's very defined. You can really get into the ringlets, but it all depends on how I set my hair. So this time around, I did not set my hair with the usual products that I use. And also, I did not want to have a very defined wash and go. And I did not get a very defined wash and go. This is what my hair looked like, a shrunken fro. And I really love this look for me, first of all. I think it's beautiful, but you can see how much shrunken my hair is. Mind you, I did not get a haircut. I did not change my hair. I didn't do anything other than set my hair differently. And it looks very different. This is another set that I did later in November. Looking at my hair here, I did not define it as much as I usually do, and you can see that my hair is more recognizable in a sense. If you want to compare it to my hair before I dyed it, it has all the texture in it. This right here is actually a wash and go that I did though, but I did not take my time to define my hair, and you can see how the results again are different. My hair really dries depending on how I set it. All that takes us to December. This is the latest wash and go that I did with my hair. My hair is growing by now, so it is hanging even lower. My hair is as defined because I took my time to define it. But again, if I did not want to have defined hair, then I wouldn't have defined it. What I'm saying is that my hair is a chameleon at this point. It looks different based on what I want it to look like. And I actually want to show you a side-by-side comparison of my wash and go right after I colored my hair to the wash and go that I did myself last year. I think that's actually going to give us a nice comparison to see if my texture is really that much different. When you're looking at it side by side like this, I feel like it's even harder to tell. Is my texture looser? Is it different? Is my hair lighter or less weighted down because I haven't been using oils and butters? I don't know if my hair is really different because of the color, or it's really different because I stopped using oils and butters. And I really want to say the fact that I haven't used raw oils and butters have a role to play with how light, fluffy, and ultimately different my hair looks. So let me know what you think after watching this video. Personally, I would say my hair is damaged, but the thing is, damage is such a range, you know? There's damage where you can't even hold your curl pattern anymore. Your hair is just straight damage. There's damage where your hair still has the texture, however, the integrity of your hair has been compromised. And I think that's where I am, somewhere around there, where my texture doesn't look that much different, but I can let you know that my hair feels different, especially when it's wet. It feels like Velcro. It's a different feeling than what I've ever experienced, especially when it comes to dealing and handling my hair. Yeah, I would say that's the main thing. The good thing though is that my hair is growing out, so my natural hair is coming right back out, and we'll be able to compare the two textures once my roots get a little bit longer. I do think that my natural hair originally was on the thicker side. The color did take away some of the thickness, I would say. However, we'll see once my hair grows out. I do want to finish things up though by saying that I love my hair, I love the color, and I love the fact that I am enjoying my hair. No, I do not regret coloring it. If anything, I want to continue coloring it until eventually I get tired of it. But I think natural hair is something that we should enjoy. We should be able to have fun with it. We stay away from so many things when it comes to hair because we are trying to protect our hair at all costs. And the cost is the fact that we don't enjoy our hair. We don't do anything with our hair other than washing it, putting a lot of things in it, leaving it in twists, or doing protective styles, which we've discussed are not protective. And if you want to know why, you should watch this video. We do so much to protect our hair and then we don't have fun with it. And it's okay to allow yourself to have fun with your hair. To each its own, of course. So ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say enjoy your hair. Get it colored. Go to a stylist that is really good in the art of natural hair though. Don't say I sent you and your hair got jacked up. Go to a stylist who knows how to handle natural hair and just start enjoying your hair again. Because at the end of the day, as long as you're caring for your hair and you're doing all the right things, you have healthy hair habits, then your hair is going to be fine. Thank you so much for watching yet another video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you made it this far. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Patreon when we have great conversations about hair, personal development, following our goals. Yeah, all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.